Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to talk about various paragraphs and their structure for essay writing. Dear student, this is very much important to learn about the structure of different paragraphs and how they are well developed because each paragraph contributes to the development of an essay. So we need to understand the unit of an essay, which is a paragraph. We will be talking about expository paragraph and various types and how an expository paragraph is developed. Expository paragraph, it contains a topic sentence, introductory details, then body of the paragraph, and then conclusion. It has an expository essay has four parts: topic sentence, introductory details, body paragraph, and in concluding part. In topic sentence, it controls the point and a controlling idea that should be explained in the topic in your paragraph. Mean your paragraph deals with one point or one aspect of a topic. So whatever the aspect of your topic, that should be included in your topic sentence, which that is called controlling idea. About topic sentence and its constituent parts, I have another lecture, that is complete lecture on that. You can follow that if you go to my channel. Here I would just say that a topic sentence contains two parts. One is topic, the other is controlling idea. Then introductory details. Introductory details are a sort of explanation. They are gateway to the details of the paragraph. Mean they support the topic sentence, and introductory details signify whether the paragraph, whether the topic that is going to be explained is readable or not, that one should go into details or not. They are very much effective. If you write convincing introductory details of a topic sentence and that is going to be explained in the body of the paragraph, that would be, you see, engaging thing. Your reader would be engaged and he would read. And then body of the paragraph, it contains the explanation. This is the longest part of the paragraph. It supports or it explains the thesis or the topic statement that we made, and this part might include quotations, paraphrases, statistical data, and examples, testimonies from the experts, that includes in the body of the paragraph, and it explains further the argument. And concluding topics apart concludes the whole debate into single sentence if it is a single paragraph case. There are four essentials of an expository paragraph that we need to consider while writing an expository paragraph. One is unity, the other is order, then third one is coherence, and the fourth one is completeness. Mean all these four elements, if they are in a paragraph, then it would be effective and elegant and well developed paragraph. If it lacks any of the things, then paragraph, your writing is not going to make the mark. Now unity mean it deals with one topic. Mean your paragraph should not speak about multiple topics. It should speak about one topic, one point. And order mean the things should be in a chronological or logical order. There should be sequence in the sentences. And then coherence, there should be connection between the sentences, and that connection comes through the use of connectors, transitions, conjunctive verbs or adverbs. So there should be coherence, mean there should be a link. All sentences should be chained, or they should be in the form of chain, linked together. They shouldn't appear or feel, there shouldn't be a feeling of jump or haphazard introduction of anything. Then completeness, it should have all the required elements, mean data, information. If it lacks any of the things, mean it if it lacks a topic sentence, your paragraph isn't complete. If it lacks data, then it isn't complete. If it lacks the introductory details, then it is not a complete uh, paragraph. So a complete paragraph has all the elements like in topic sentence, introductory details, explanation, and explanation supported with data, and then conclusion. That would be called completeness. Now, what an expository paragraph exposit? We need to study that also. It explains the topic that is going to be discussed. Then it educates, informs the readers about the topic, and it is you see opposite to the argumentative paragraph. In argumentative paragraph, we convince and persuade the reader. In expository paragraph, we educate and inform the reader. It means we come up with data and examples, statistics, etc. etc. Then it reflects the writer's knowledge and expertise on the topic. Where the more the depth, the more the show of display of scholarship. If it is a superficial one, it means the writer doesn't have the deeper or the wider understanding of the topic. So, as I said earlier, your expository paragraph is to inform, educate the reader about the topic that you are going to talk, and it reflects how balanced viewpoint you have about the things. And here it doesn't give your opinion, it is rather more objective and scientific one. Then there are various types of expository paragraphs. First one is process paragraph, second one is definition paragraph, then is compare and contrast one, then cause and effect, and then problem solution. So there are 5 types of expository paragraph. All these paragraphs fall under the category of expository paragraph, generally speaking. So we need to understand how each type of expository paragraph should be dealt with. First one, we speak about the process paragraph. As the name is clear, it speaks about the process of something. When if we make something, if we create something, there is a process to do that. So there are certain steps engaged and involved into that. We will be talking about them in detail. Topic sentence, it has it names the topic, what is the topic, why it is significant, and it gives the background, whether it should be one should be interested in reading or not. Topic sentence should be comprehensive. Then it gives the steps of the process. First step, second step, you can use firstly, then secondly, then thirdly, initially, then you can say then you say afterwards, then you say finally, like such expression we use in this kind of paragraph. So there are usually transitions I have given here. We can use words like first, second, and last, and there would be imperatives also. Do this and do that. One usually in formal writing we do not use imperatives, but a process paragraph calls for that. We can use imperatives also. Then concluding sentence. Concluding sentence sums up the whole debate. Your second part, which is explanatory part, that includes or involves steps of the process, that is the longest part of this is process paragraph. So a process paragraph has a proper beginning and ending. Process begins at certain point and it ends at certain point. Then there is conclusion to that, summing up of the whole detail. Then definition topic. Definition topic has topic, then it has definition, then comes up with evidence to that definition, then comes up comment on that evidence, and then concludes. So, if it is a definition topic type, paragraph type, you will be engaged into these 5 steps. First, you present the thing, topics and general main idea. Maybe there is something that needs, there is a term, there is something that you need to explain. Fifth generation war. So we should know what is fifth generation war. You explain, you are talking about AI, artificial intelligence. So you explain that what is AI. Second would be explanation, definition of that point that you have talked in the topic sentence. Then there is evidence. You support uh, what the topic sentence with certain evidences, mean details, examples, quotations, at studies, statistics, data, etc., etc. Then you make comment, critical comment on that, with the significance, pros and cons, anything that you understand, or there would be analysis, there would be interpretation of those evidences. So you come up with broader discussion on that. Comment is broader discussion. It might be talking about pros and cons also, it, on the basis of evidence you have given earlier. Then you sum up the detail, the main argument in a single sentence at the end. So it involves 5 steps. It is a definition topic or paragraph. Then is compare and contrast paragraph. In this case, we compare two things, two books, two issues. Okay, compare and contrast paragraph. There is a topic sentence. It introduces the subject. Then body sentences that explain, that give compare and contrast picture. They give, they speak in detail how things are alike or how they are different. And then concluding sentence or ending sentence at the end, last single one, and it sums up what is the general overall compare and contrast picture, whether the objects are identical or they are different. Then there is a structure of cause and effect paragraph. Again, it has a topic sentence that introduces cause and effect connection between two things. For cause and effect sentence, of course, there would be two elements, and there would be there is usually a cause and effect relationship. One is the cause, other is the effect of that. One is independent variable, the other is dependent variable. So topic sentence comes up with independent and dependent variables. Then supporting sentence to that topic sentence, and this supporting sentence, one or two or more than that, they explain, they support the uh, uh, cause and effect relationship that you have spoken in the topic sentence. Then you come up with facts and examples that endorse your supporting sentence. That can be data, example, facts, quotes, references to studies, etc. Then supporting sentence further to support the facts, whether your facts are better explained or not. And then again, after supporting sentence, you come up with more facts so that you explain the whole debate with, or you substantiate the whole debate you are talking about. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll be uploading more and more videos for you.